Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the mic problem in your device OnePlus Nord 2. Before starting the video, if you are new here, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's begin. If you are having issue related to the mic, like your mic is not working for the recordings or not working on the call, you can solve this mic problem by the way as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch this video and learn how you can solve the mic problem in your device OnePlus Nord 2. Let's watch it.